So it's 29 July. This is stray dog. We have called veterinarian to do his treatment. He was attacked by several dogs just few days ago, 3 days ago, and when this dog he was missing for 2 days and he was lost, and he came when he came he was badly injured, and we also noticed his right eye. There was a lot of this pus discharge, and he was bleeding from beside his knee. Actually, he has got very deep wound and he was limping. So what I did is first aid. I did his first aid emergency treatment. I put the betadine, and yeah, it's बहुत burning है वहाँ पे. We put the betadine. Before that, these guys they put ये पैर संभाल के रखो, वो निकाल देगा मास्क. वो करने आया ना तो इसको थोड़ा पकड़ लो. नहीं नहीं, इट्स ओके, फिर वो बहुत डर जाएगा. So I did the dressing as well, and we waited for 2 days to get help. So then we checked several organizations, all is full. So we decided to ask help from the doctor. The doctor has come today to do his treatment, and this dog is going to stay here till he recovers. And this dog is he's been staying here for past 2 years. You just tell listen Webo, ये डॉग 2 days पहले आया था, तो आपने क्या नोटिस किया इसमें?
तो वो मेरा ये लग रहा था, चल नहीं पा रहा था वो.
ओके ओके.
और उसके बाद में वो जैसे कि सब खा पी रहा था एकदम, खाने पीने कुछ नहीं, वो खा पी रहा था.
ओके.
चल नहीं पा रहा था. उसका जो लेफ्ट आई था ना,
राइट आई. राइट आई.
राइट आई से एकदम अंदर चला गया था मे भी. हमको साफ से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था वो.
ओके.
थोड़ा हमने स्ट्रेच किया ना नीचे का स्किन उसका,
वहाँ पे रेडनेस था.
हाँ, और सोलन भी हो गया था पूरा उस
Okay.
साइड पे.
So these guys have done the great job. They did his first aid also. They put turmeric and all, and they told me that there is injury in his right eye, and that seemed actually life-threatening injury. So I put this eye ointment to give him some relief. There was a lot of inflammation, but today they noticed there's no discharge coming off from the eye, and he is feeling a little better. He was also limping from his right leg. When I touched, he was, he just didn't want me to touch there, and he tried to attack me. So I refused to do that, the examine of his right leg. Then we finally, we all people decided to let's call a vet so that we can get some help for this dog. So finally the doctor has come. The doctor is here. Doctor has come. He is doing his treatment. Then he is gonna give us prescription. We'll continue his this oral medication over here only. So इसका नाम क्या है? ब्लैकी. ये स्ट्रे डॉग है ना? ओके.